snow. This is amazing. Look, the trees are covered in snow. We're in the middle of a snowstorm heading back to Mill Valley. Look at it.
Look at that white streak.
Look at it. You can't even tell what the ground is.
Yeah.
Look at the trees, the plants.
Epic.
Outside. Now look at my mom's windshield. Look at the ground. You can barely tell what's road and what's not. Oh, it's just completely snowing. Look at it. All around. Snowstorm. You gotta appreciate it that it doesn't snow in San Francisco. But look at this. Heading back to Mill Valley, we just got caught in a snowstorm. And we saw two cars that literally skidded off the road.
Yeah, they skidded like fire.
They just skidded off the road. We have chains on, there are wires. This is so hard. You can see the snow. This is like so snowy. It's a blizzard, as my brother said. Just look out the window. Do you even think about driving in here? No one does. But we saw 3 ambulances and a lot more, and police. And we're at the Donald Cross. So I'm gonna try to zoom in here on that snow.
Get that.
And there we go. Look at that snow. You can see it. It's amazing. Look out the window, right where we are.
Get that snow.
You can barely even tell what that lamppost was.
It looks like it's laying over white.
It's so snowy. You can't even see anything. I don't even think that we're gonna. Might take us a whole day. This way.